Welcome. Today we have this chalice, which I just designed,
Chalice.
a large cup or goblet. So, shouldn't be too hard, I believe. There's a couple medium challenging steps, and let's get to folding it. So, you take your fairly crisp bill and fold the top edge down just to the border. It's a little bigger on the back, so we're using that as a guide. Get that pretty straight. If it's a little off, you'll be able to take care of it because we're going to fold that down again later. So that crease you'll make really straight. So after you fold in half, that little edge in, now fold in half, leaving that tucked in. So line it up, go straight across, and crease that down. Okay, now open up. Now let's fold the top edge down again. And you don't have to go all the way to the crease. It makes it a little bit too tight. So just make it a little bit bigger than the border line. So see how that's bigger? So now crease that down. And then fold in half. Now we're going to divide the bill into eighths. Line everything up pretty well. Go by this corner. These might be off a little bit, but it's right on. So there we go. You want to make all these creases nice and sturdy. Fold this edge into the center. Fold this edge into the center. Fold this edge into the crease you just made. Don't let any kinks like that happen. So I use this little slim steel ruler. Gets into those tight cracks. Fold this edge into the quarter line crease, not the one right here that you just made. These points will line up. And again, it's trying to kink. That's all right. Just straighten it up with whatever tool you have. And then fold each edge into the nearest crease. So now we've got our eighths, and we have this crease that we originally made down the almost middle. Just fold the bill over on that again. Now let that hang down straight. So we've got the right angle. Now you lift these folds and you bring it over to the other side till you've just got a little point sticking up in the middle. You can crease these down like that if you want. or you can just pinch them. Continue and do that on all the flaps. See, there's our little point right in the middle. And later on, I'm going to show how to make this goblet. But right now we're making this chalice. So, if you made it this far, we're pretty close to being done, really. Now the last one, there is the point. Maybe you just have to guesstimate about the middle. That's all right. Unfold that. So now we've got to tuck one of these rolled edges into the other side. And we're not going to go one section, we're going to go two sections. So this is kind of challenging, and that's why we didn't fold it all the way down to the edge of the crease. Makes it a little bit easier. I'm just going to get that corner, stick it inside that fold, and it doesn't fit. So that means you take this corner and stick it in this side fold. And it doesn't fit. So it's much closer. Oh, actually it fits on this one. But one side it might fit. And if not, you might have to unfold these a little bit to get it in there. And so then you would unfold it a little bit. You can even unfold it all the way. Let's show you that. Stick this in, and there's 1/8, but we want 2/8. So almost there. You can even line it up like this and lift it up. Now we're right on that eighth line fold. And now pinch the paper on this overlap. There's two pieces, so you can hold it right here. And just fold that crease back down. And keep holding over there. Fold that back down all the way around. Now, top of the cup's going to be held together really tight. Flatten these out a little bit. And you've got a little hexagon. So now turn over. And where these flaps overlap, pinch that vertical fold. Bend it over. Put your finger inside. Hold that just a little bit. Tuck that diagonal valley fold in. Take this mountain fold out. Bend it over. And you just keep doing that. There's one left right here. Just push it over. And then push this down till it makes a little pattern like that is what you should have now. So push it down a little bit more. Not that much. And then put your finger inside right on these folds. And just kind of pinch right there a little bit. Let it round right here a little. You're pushing here and here on the inside. And you're keeping this together with your little pressure here. Okay, there we go. And then it's best to just go around and grab these little edges and pinch them a little bit. Now we've got that one little part sticking out. You can fold that back in actually a little bit. There we go. Straighten it back out. Or you can leave that little part if it doesn't bother you. And there's your little goblet. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it was easy for you to fold. Let me know in the comments. And I really appreciate a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks a lot.